Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about a Chrome extension that helps you to save your data while using on Chrome browser. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Chrome browser, search Data Saver Chrome extension. Here is the result, or search it in Chrome Web Store. Data Saver extension. Here is the extension. Click over here. Install this extension. Add extension. Let's see some of the features of this extension. Reduces data usage by using Google servers to optimize your page you visit. Browse more for less. By enabling this extension, Chrome will use Google servers to compress pages you visit before downloading them. Get more visibility into your data usage by clicking on detail to see how much data is used by the site you visit. You can also enable data saver on mobile Chrome on Android from the setting menu. We will discuss that in our upcoming videos. Extension is installed. Here is the icon. Here it shows the data usage and data savings, also the percentage of data saving. Here you can click for details. It will show for data of up to 7 days, 30 days and more. You can delete history or reset from here. Click here to learn more about this extension. Here you can see how it works. If you see 0% data saving, data saver may not be working because Chrome is using another proxy server. To make data saver work, turn off the other proxies. The setting of that is given in these 7 steps. So you see how this extension works. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.